So we're about to enter the swamp. Sean, any last words?
Just hold my beer. I'm gonna go catch a gator.
Sean Taylor is decided that he would like to try to catch a small crocodile. We've got some advice. Alligator. Sorry, it's alligators are here. We got some. We got some advice from one of the locals about how to.
Look at him swing away.
He's over there. He's getting warmed up for the defense program. But we got some advice from a local, and his first word of advice was probably don't do it. And then he told us how to go through the process. So he says you got to grab it by the tail, and then you keep moving backwards so they can't spin around and get you. And then I think the most important part of his advice was after you wear it out, then you got to hold its mouth shut, and then we got a roll of electrical tape so we could tape it up just like on TV, and then we can all pet it. But Sean's been talking about this for a couple days, and he's decided he's gonna, you know, assess the situation once we get on site and determine whether this is a really bad idea. The best part is this came up with no beers involved. This is a sober idea. So we found the edge of the swamp, and we were walking real fast a minute ago, but everybody kind of slowed down. Somehow I ended up here at the front.
Hey, Charlie's good bait. Yeah, Charlie, just attract them. Don't whack them for you. He's already out there. Does Charlie look like chicken? Yeah, well, that's snake.
Water moccasins.
Snakes. We forgot about the snakes. He just said snakes. Now I'm thinking about snakes.
Jeez.
I need a defense hand.
Yeah, that's fucking.
We just ran into a bunch of baby gators right over there.
Where?
And the Nova follows them.
Yeah.
We got to sneak up on them.
It's not
All right.
actually catching the alligator. It's about attempting to catch the alligator. But the memories that we're gonna have of
And the finger and the
bloody, screaming.
All I know is
victory.
and the fingers we may lose.
whenever we lose, let's build a memorial.
It's like Happy Gilmore, dude, the alligator that ate the hand of the golfer.
Play dead if you see one. Play dead.
All you gotta do is lay down and put your hands out. It'll start there.
Yeah, you gotta put your hands towards it to look longer.
I just stepped in something real soft. What is that bird doing?
$400 is the first person to swim across.
Oh no. Not enough money. Hey, get that on camera.
The ducks are having at each other down there. We haven't seen an alligator yet, but we got scared by a duck.
Could be right there right now. Well, you can see where something went through right there. Look, see? See how you can see where something's heavy? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right there through the grass. Yep.
Is that alligator poo?
No, seriously, it's winter. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go on that grass.
You got a big stick.
Come here, alligator. Come here, buddy.
It's my alligator call. You don't want to hurt you. You just want to put tape on your mouth and pet you. Look how big. So we just saw. You can't really see it with this shot, but right in the water there.
That's the one we gotta get.
His giant head is bigger than me, and he's just chilling. He's right at the edge of the reeds, right about there, so that I can zoom in later and maybe get a shot of him. He's still, there he is. He stopped. Right about there. Looks like he went, oh no, there he's still there. Yeah. Wind's picking up on our end.
That's good, our odor's carrying across.
Yeah, you can smell our BO.
We smell good right now to a gator. Yeah. Who's got a knife? Let's put some blood in the water. There we go.
He seems uninterested, Jordan says. He says it's a very big gator. It looks like it. The head looks as big as me from here.
The bigger they are, the easier they are to catch, from what I've been told. Yeah, that's what they said.
All right, looks like we're gonna go to the other side of the street where we've seen many gators on our drive in, and recently many gators have been seen today. So we're gonna give her a go.
Gator hole.
Is that a gator hole? Where? We need to figure out a way to go.
Probably a muskrat or a armadillo.
Yeah, you can see something swimming along the shore, or along the surface in the middle right there. See the waves it's making.
how murky that is. Like black. On this edition of RC Croc Hunters, we patrol the shores of the bayou. Outside the Kelly Field is world famous Sean Taylor has decided today is the day that he catches an alligator. We're seeing a lot of action and movement in the water, but no gator sightings yet. Just a log. Dang! We can watch it in slow-mo later. Yeah, he's under you.
Okay.
Yeah, he went.
He wants that. Stop.
Take two.
Take two. All right, he's gonna do it again. Keep going. Keep going. No crunch. No crunch. Risk of injury or death.
I would venture to say it might be sewage treatment.
Well, it looks like we covered some ground. We looked for some gator, but I think it's not the right time of day for us to find a gator. This is like when they go back to bed or something and they live in their homes. This is probably about that time of day. So we might have been bad hunting time. We should have Googled best time to hunt for gator. Jordan came and picked us up. We're going back. Did you find any gators? Negative.